Welcome, in front of me is a Motorola One View, and today I will show you how to go through the setup process of the device. So, once you power the device on for the first time, you'll be presented with this screen. So choose the language that you want by tapping on the drop down right here and selecting your desired language. And from there I'm just going to tap on cancel and stick with English. From there, tap on start. And here we have an option to insert a SIM card. Now this step is completely optional if you want to. It gives you actually a neat animation, which is kind of nice, that you can insert two different SIM cards, although it also includes a SIM card and SD card if you choose to use one of each. Let's tap on skip for here, and then you have Wi-Fi connection. Now this you can skip as well, or you can also connect to it if you want. I'm gonna tap on connect. But if you want to skip it, you can do it here. For instance, you don't have a Wi-Fi near you that you know the password to. Now let's give it a little bit of a moment for it to actually gather some data. Not really sure what exactly it's looking for. And then we have a page to copy our data from a previous device. So basically we'll create a Google backup, and then you can restart it from here. It'll just give you a list of different backups that your phone has created over the time, and you can pick it and it will basically download all the apps and everything that was on your previous device at that moment. Now I'm gonna set it up as new, so I'm gonna choose don't copy, and let's wait a little bit longer. And then we have the Google sign-in page. So if you have a Google account, you can sign in. If you don't, you can create one right here, and you can also just skip the step if you don't want to sign in at all. And then we have Google services. So as you can see, you have some localization services and some diagnostic data. Now calling the services is a little bit of a misleading thing. Basically, as a way for Google to know where you are. So this will allow you to also use something like Google Maps, and other apps that shouldn't really have it will also want access to it. So just a nice thing to remember when you're using your phone from a day to day. And then you have the send user and diagnostic data. Again, whatever you're going to be doing, it's going to be gathering data on it and kind of sending it to Google to quotation mark improve the basically usability of the device feels. So choose if you want it. You can disable this if you want to, but things like location, like I said, certain apps will require it, and you will then be forced to enable it if you want to use that app. From there, let's tap on accept, and we have a screen lock. Now this step is optional. Again, you can set it up. If you don't like 4-digit pins, you can choose a different one between like pattern or password. And whatever you choose, you just want to draw it and then redraw it. You can also, like I said, skip it by tapping on skip on the first page that we were. You have unlock with your fingerprint, so you can add a fingerprint. There's a sensor basically in the middle of the back of the device, and basically the logo. So you can set it up by just tapping your finger there. I'm gonna skip it, I don't really feel like doing it. And then we have the additional apps. Yeah, I don't want additional apps, so tap on OK. And we're almost done. Accept and continue. Let's go more and next, and there we go. And now the setup is finished. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.